Good morning, student. Today we will study first chapter of physics, motions. What is motions? If any object change its positions with respect to time, that is called motions. अगर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट बेटा टाइम के साथ पोजीशंस को चेंज करता है उसे हम कहते हैं मोशंस. मोशंस हैव डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मोशंस. फर्स्ट आई विल डिस्कस रेक्टिलिनियर मोशंस. In rectilinear motions, any object move along a straight line. For example, motions of a car on a straight road is an example of rectilinear motions. Second type is periodic motions. In periodic motions, object move mean and extreme positions again and again. This one is mean positions. Or this side is extreme positions. In mean and extreme positions, object move again and again. That is type is called motion is called periodic motions. Third type is circular motions. In circular motions, object move in circular path. For example, motions of earth around the sun. It is a example of circular motions. Next, we will study about physical quantities. Physical quantities are two types, scalar and vector. Scalar quantities are those which have only magnitude but does not give any directions. But in vector quantities have both magnitude and directions. For example, length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, speed and powers are the example of a scalar quantity because these have only magnitude or only value but does not give any directions. These are called scalar quantities. But in case of वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज की एग्जांपल बेटा डिस्प्लेसमेंट, वेलोसिटी, फोर्स, एक्सेलरेशंस, वेट एंड प्रेशर्स आर द वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज बिकॉज दीज हैव ओनली बोथ मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शंस. नेक्स्ट वी विल स्टडी प्रॉपर्टीज. स्केलर क्वांटिटी को बेटा आप एडिशंस ऑफ स्केलर एंड वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, जो बेटा हमारी स्केलर क्वांटिटी होती है उसे हम ऐड वी कैन ऐड, सब्ट्रैक्ट एंड मल्टीप्लाई लाइक ए ऑर्डिनरी नंबर. फॉर एग्जांपल 3 kg of a sand is add to a 1 kg of a cement. The total quantity of mixture is 4 kg. Its only value but does not mention directions. That's why it is scalar quantity. Let's take example of vector quantities. In vector quantities represent the both values and magnitude and directions. In same directions you can add or opposite direction you can subtract. For example, in given figures, in given car have two types of force apply. In the front side force apply 5 Newton and back side it force apply 30 Newton. When force apply in 50 Newton and 30 Newton, these forces are same directions. In same direction vector quantities, these all forces are add 50 plus 30, that is 80 Newton force act from north due to west. Clear? And next we will take another example. Given figure car apply force 50 Newton on the north side and 10 Newton in the west side. These 10 Newton force will decrease the speed. These force 10 Newton act in opposite directions. That's why 50 minus 10, 40 Newton. This total 40 Newton force act on a given figure of a car. Clear? Next, we will study about distance and displacement. Everyone know what is distance? The total distance covered by object is called distance. For example, if any object start from point A, then A to B, B to C. A to B, they cover distance 10 kilometer, and again 10 kilometer. What is the total distance covered by object? 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus 10, 20 kilometer. But in case of distance, these are scalar quantity. Everyone know what is scalar quantity? Scalar quantities have only values, only magnitude, but does not have directions. Distance is scalar quantity, but does not give any directions. The SI unit in SI system, the distance measured in meter, or in the CGS system, distance measured in centimeter, or largest unit of distance is kilometer. Clear? Next beta, displacement. What is displacement? The shortest distance covered by object is called displacement. बेटा जो हमारी डिस्टेंस है वो दिस इज स्केलर क्वांटिटी एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. इन डिस्प्लेसमेंट हैव बोथ मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शंस. Displacement also depend upon initials and final positions. I will take one example. You can easily differentiate between distance and displacement. If object start from point A to B, then B to C, C to D. If object A to B cover distance is 10 kilometer, B to C 10 kilometer, again 10 kilometer, and D to A 10 kilometer. What is the distance covered by object A to D? The total distance covered by object. If object start move from A to B, then B to C, then C to D, then D to A. What is the total distance covered by object? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40 किलोमीटर. आपका बेटा डिस्टेंस कितना आ गया? 40 किलोमीटर. What is the displacement at point A? Displacement at point A is 0 because displacement depend upon initials and final positions. ऑब्जेक्ट की जो हम बेटा स्टार्ट हुआ था ए से स्टार्ट हुआ और ए में आकर क्या हो गया? एंड हो गया, स्टॉप हो गया. इट मीन्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट डिपेंड अपॉन इनिशियल एंड फाइनल पोजीशंस. They start from point A or stop at point A. It means displacement at point A is 0. हमें पता चला कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0 हो सकती है बट डिस्टेंस कैन नेवर 0. ओके, लेट्स टेक डिफरेंशिएशन बिटवीन डिस्टेंस एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. बेटा आपको पता है कि डिस्टेंस क्या होता है? टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर बाय ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड डिस्टेंस और शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस कवर बाय ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. एवरीवन नाउ डिस्टेंस इज स्केलर क्वांटिटीज और डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज. और डिस्टेंस में भी कैन नॉट बी 0. बेटा डिस्टेंस कैन नॉट बी 0, डिस्प्लेसमेंट में भी 0. वन थिंग, डिस्टेंस ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव but displacement may be 0, negative and positive. Clear student?